ngicela manje mase 10 minutes nje lo mncane ngane ngithize nje 9 to 9 lehlupha umphefumulo wami when I was coming here. Apostle Paula siyathi bazalwane ukuthi Apostle Paula ubhala incwadi yebaseKorinte bekuqala because maybe he was addressing a couple of things. Abe addressa nema issues so libe spiritually high phinde lihamba nabo bonke le bandla laseKorinte lifana nale lethu liyawathanda imandla kodwa alifuni ukubhadala imbadalo yemali. They are not ready to pay the price for the power entrusted upon them. And that is why lesethu sihlukane si noma uNkulunkulu asethemba ngemandla kodwa usethembe wathela kancane ngoba si reckless. Uma uNkulunkulu angake asethembe ngemagama singashape umhlaba ngoba siyazondana sikhuluma nakabi. And njalo bazalwane uma sihlangene ngale ndlela coming from different churches, two things are happening. It's a gathering of the church, the ecclesia, the called out ones. Mulakitiwe are separated from the world. Kodwa kukhona i-dimension yelibandla le Jesu asinike yona. And that dimension lesibili when the church comes together, it's a gathering of legislators. Abanani bazabona kancane. Uma kuhlangene otishayamthetho, awunokuthi laba bake bahlale eParliament noma baseva ama-structures lapho nakusebenzwa ngemithetho khona. Uma kuhlangene etishayamthetho, utabeva I enjoy the Parliament of South Africa. I always listen to those boys, Dr. Ndlozi, the most intelligent. For the most part, inkumbi yabo umele bavele basukuma bathi standing order 28 noma bathi 38. Bathi uthini-ke mhlonishwa lo hloniphekile. Athi it is unconstitutional. Akakhulumi nakufuna kodwa ukukhuluma akakuloji. Wathi kwalotshwa uthatha akumise manje uma kuhlangene lebandla umtimba kaJesu akufanelanga kuhlangane bothulile. Akufanelanga kuhlangane nabangibona bathi umfundisi kaDawuthi. Because ukuhlangana neshamthethwa bathi kulotshiwe ngokweJohn chapter 12 verse number 28 that I have glorified Jesus. Mathetha sithi no kulotshiwe ukuthi there is what we call an indescribable umusa longakhazeki. Kulotshwe nemibhalo because uma sihleli na uma bazalwane sitothandaza nje la kufanele ukuthi sifona ngabe kuphambana imibhalo iphindze futhi kufanele ukuthi ngabe kuphambana imibhalo la kulotshiwe that the gates of hell will not prevail against the church. Kulotshiwe, it is written. Come on, church of God. Kila makelane tana kana kulotshiwe mawe kasoma la katamaya. Ndala makelane wako mtenyo na mshoto makelane wako akasiku serious man. Ubela blokela lo munye wesithathu nomkhwesha lesitulo leso lekamane kaJesu because we are legislators here. Uma ngabe emasango eHides akipe sihoko ukuthi asohlasela intshukumo. Kwamele kube nalabatawubume endaweni bathi kulotshiwe. Mpithe futhi kwabhalwa ngathi bazalwane kwabhalwa ngathi singakefiki la. Kwalotshwa ngathi kwathiwa kuyawufika situkulwane. Lesitukulwane sike sashayeka. Lesitukulwane sike salwa. Lesitukulwane sisembili sithi silwa siblida kodwa sike solo siphethe inkemba solo siyaqhubeka siyalwa. Akhuluma nami senkonzweni. Kulotshiwe embhalweni kuthiwa kunendoda lokuthiwa ngu-Eliyezari. Kuthiwa Davide wathi ngifuna nje manje noma ninginathise nayo. Kuthiwa amadoda asukuma abamathashwana nje. Kuthiwa leqala yalwa kuthiwa yakhipha isikhali yagwaza 800 wemadoda. Akunendaba ke naleyo qala kuthiwa he struck 800 men. But I love the second guy which is Eliyezari, the typology of the Holy Ghost. Kuthiwa walwa Eliyezari yaze wazi wakhathala emtimbeni inkemba yanamathela esandleni sakhe. Wabathi ufuna kuyekela kulwa wangakhoni kuyekela. Asiyekeli ngiphinda futhi thina asiyekeli phela makhelwane thana asiyekeli kuthandaza. Asiyekeli kusina hashando. Asiyekeli kuthandaza ngekilini kaparatoria. Asiyekeli ngegama likaJesu. Ngiyamthambanise angeke siyekele ngeke siyekele. Haya shena wakumayana singamakhelwane thangeke siyekele. Yebo bathi KZN nekinkinga ngeke siyekele. Aphinde futhi nalabathakathi sinabatshalenga khona la KZN ngegama likaJesu ngoba erasange Hides angeke lehlule mina. Aphinde futhi KZN ngithi mina manje Zohoko angeke azalehlule leli. Jesu wafunga ngalo leli wathi akasabantu ezingazalehlule. Ngoba bephele thana kubejalo. Hey! Pastor Lazani. kancane na intro na yena tokola pele emande sihogo ngoba leshu kulotshiwe Mahubo 55 kulotshiwe Mahubo 68 kulotshiwe Mahubo 117 kulotshiwe mazalane sine sihamba ngalokulotshiwe washikilelwa ngoba angeke ushintshe umthetho unless you come with a supernatural encounter. Ngiyethe futhi lokwenda boShadrach, Meshach and Abednego nabo Daniel akushintsha umthetho lapha eBabylon akusisona singisi sakho lesingcono kuthiwa these guys they outrank the levels kuthiwa kwatholakala ukuthi uma babarate ngetinyanga ba 10 times better. Awutshela abantwana yemakhaya ngani kunjani manje namhlanje we are a generation that is 10 times better. Phinde futhi egama likaJesu ungabosibona masiwele phasi a righteous man can fall but he will rise again. Amemekele namhlanje ekhareke wena yonke ulimele lalela dokhazela a righteous man can fall 7 times but he will rise again. Amemekele there is a rising in our life, in our generation. There is a rising. Shabekamayana nawuvuka futhi nangabe manje sibona ngathi angekho lalela ukhona lo nikete amandla kithi awamekele thani nangemandla sakhona. Salam ngicela ngihlale phasi kanjani bazalana umusa. Grace is an unmerited favor. That's okay. Angithi baba ngathi unmerited favor. But umusa it comes like in 1 2 3 4 5. The first one we call it the common grace. Psalms 145 verse number 9. For those who are going to read, uNkulunkulu wabo bonke bantu, uNkulunkulu wendalo yonke, uNkulunkulu wenyama yonke. Uma sibona litululina, futhi sinabazalwana futhi siyavama kana inkingi. Siyafisa ukuthi ngathi ngabe lina nekahlatshwa kophela kakuthi kelohlatshwa kosilona. Kuba makhelwane thani ngeke ngoba uNkulunkulu only release because of the common grace. Hamba nami ke manje. The common grace sike sayibona uNkulunkulu atemperisha nayo ngo-2020. Ngesikhathi COVID la khona kube bakuvalwa i-oxygen that is phefumula. Wathi losihamba naye siphefumula umoya munye wathi angisakhona ukuphefumula. Kanti umnikati we-common grace so uvale i-oxygen ukuthi yofika emaphashini alomunye. Awumemedele thani ne-common grace yaphelelwa sikhathi. Memedela thani common grace is not enough in your life. There is an unusual grace that is coming for your life. There is an unusual grace that is coming for your family. There is an unusual grace that is coming for our generation. Now, as a church, we are destined for an uncommon grace. What I remember there, nalale njubumeni osiyami impostolo wami awukaboni lutho njubumeni nangabe lento isebenzela bohlatshwako baleswadini bafike kanye bahambe netinto zabo yini lento le ungayichaza uyithini lento? It's an uncommon grace. Awumemedele an uncommon grace in my life. Abeshumayele nani bazanamhle ebusuku egama likaJesu memedele an uncommon grace. Namhlanje memedela kusenge egama likaJesu bakutshela ukuthi nathakatha navalwa kuthiwa niyalwa tipidakini kuthiwa nema-generational curses and patterns lalela ndokuchazela ikhona into lebitwa ukuthi it's an uncommon grace. Lento yemusa longavamanga awuvamanga nomusa awumemedele thanda awukale ngami namuhla. The second grace. Frango tina la pepine mbese mtala pasi. Bafundisi baqhubeka ngoba tell them it's an uncommon, it's unusual. Since I'm it's an unusual grace. I have family and the devil namhlanje ngegama lika Jesu. Ake manje ngiprofete namhlanje. Masuka namhlanje la. When you shall experience an uncommon grace. Masuka la. You shall experience an uncommon miracle. When you shall experience an uncommon power. You shall experience an uncommon move of God. When you shall experience an uncommon encounter from heaven. That it is uncommon in my life, it is uncommon in our ministry. It is unusual. I call the people from the west, I call them from the north, I call them from the east, I call them from the south. I say, come to Jesus. There is restoration of things today. When I preach under an uncommon grace. When we stand upon an uncommon grace. Myself is listening, see how the moves along my dialogue. And the most of my dialogue. What are they? That's what I love my country. And I preach to my country right now. Oh, Shaka. The South Africa will experience a level. You must have a dialogue. It is happening right now. The second grace. Musa lo sinzisa. Bazalwa. Lo Musa sasinzisa lo. We are going to let you speak them attended much. Land of apostolic is still attended. Mazen can what tende. Can what tende? Never tende. Impossible. He's a can what tende. So you may make the Romans chapter 3, verse number 24. Which is going to get back 1 million. Basile as a moon of Akuruko. What a man I see for some Salakresu chase. Sakana sinti swaba. Bafela amband ne kamaliga chase. Ukhalelwa ngebandla umusu sinzisa. Ukhalelwa abantu ebazaba mina ngiyathi lento lesiyibona ngemehlo. Sikhule thine indaba etinyoka. Bantu baphatha inyoka yabo tibonwa ngemehlo nonyaka. Yini lento lesiyibonakala emhlabeni. Kanti kusene Musa lo sindisako. Amemekele namhlanje may the saving grace of God. I finyelele kulaba. May the saving grace of God. I finyelele ma communities. Yebo umhlaba sebonakele. Kodwa when great Hosanna, when evil increases, grace abounds. Joko sana ya. Amemekele tanu Musa uyakhula. That's it, Jesus. See attendance, you have us. Hey, what's that? Yeah. Now you since this wow. My attendance. We shall just have a cool little figure. If I can go and make it. God has must speak. kodwa nani ngisahlaphela emhlabeni kamnandi bashayela intandla ngegama lakhe. Awusuka nentandla endincane manje egama lakhe. Asitomuso ngaka. Seu yakhoba. Bese uzohlabele. Yebo-ke nawe. Ongakho. Uyabise. Enhlanhleni. Athi lo muso. Can I play it with you? Ngicela manje ngikelele labafundisi. Ningabethuki labazalwane. Ningabathethisi futhi. Kuna lo musa uyakhona ukuthi ingenela ebinhlithiweni tabo. Ningasabenza bethuka nisengabesabenza abalahla nangaphandle. Uma ngene fika bake basondela banikeni lo musa. Uma ngempela ethana ukukhona umsana usinzisayo. Shantokoya. Labafana labadlewunga la ngaphandle lo musa usengabasindisa. Abafana lababhizi baba ngoba mama ngikho ngayikhuluma leyo. Lo musa usawasindisa nama-gays and lesbians. Ngiyaphinda futhi ngisho njalo engamona project ikolgatho. Nithi lo musa losindisako usengafikelele ekhitweni ndaba. Awukhulume namhlanje ngegama likaJesu. Nabathatha usenefinyelela lo musa. Angishobona la ngishobona ngishonile bona laba break abaze bakhuluma iSouth Africa yonke. Abamane babemele emseni. Abamedela thanda ukukhona umusa. Hayya zuya ziniana havina una hakoselemanda. Uma utupostol pala nakapangwathi ngahebe. Uthi pho sebawusinda kanjani uma ngabe badebesela lo musa ongana na. Wazabe ngishumayela kanjani namhlanje? Bawusinda kanjani ekufeni waphakathi? Bawusinda kanjani ekufendana? Bawusinda kanjani ekukhonini inkosi uJesu? Kodwa bawusinda ngemusa. Le angwana mngama. Kunengoma lesihlabele kangwana angiyazi South Africa. That's why. Isingoma. Amusongana. Bafundisi makholwa kaJesu usasindisa umusa. Ngiyaphinda futhi bazalwane akusisasindisa esikhulu esindisa abantu. It's not our eloquence, but it's the grace of God. Umusa usindisa. Ngoba lokho silana bonile bonke bantu basilelwa nayinkazimu. Angabe umusa wesithathu. How? There is grace of God upon man. Kukhona umusa waNkulunkulu phezu komuntu. Angazonda nami. Njalo intando ngizonde kahle. Ngiyambona kama kaJesu. Bazalwane kukhona umusa. Mfundzele kodwa mbani mfundzela how funda kodwa South Africa bese bamanzi ngathi ngahlala sifunda Debbie kodwa ufunda second Samuel chapter 9 verse number 1 kusekhona yini umuntu enfunda Samuel utawentelwa ngimi ngoba God has delegated his authority and his grace upon man. Can I say that again? uNkulunkulu kunemusa lo uthola ngoba ukhandakabe ume kahle nemuntu lenkulunkulu am entrusted nemusa thina asakana labavama ukuthi nabakhuluma I don't need anyone in my life. I don't need any person in my life. You are mistaken. Ngoba kukhona umusa that comes with a man. I wish I was speaking this. Ekameni likaJesu ineswatini egama likaJesu. Bese ngikhumbule mvekane egama likaJesu. Kuba makhelwane thani makhelwane kukhona umusa lengawuthola upon you. Let's Jonathan. He decided in his heart to betray his father, for his generation to receive a grace upon the man. Umusa was so very understand that Jonathan would know for my generation to benefit. Usekhona indoda umuntu eSouth Africa eNtukumeni lengamentela nje umusa waNkulunkulu ngenxa kaJesu.
uDavide wathi usekhona yini osele endlini kaSawuli ukuba ngimenzele umusa ngenxa kaJonathan.
Yebo ithi
kwakukhona endlini kaSawuli inceku ogama layo linguZiba.
lalela-ke manje shothi ngamanye amagama you don't receive this grace on your own. Discussions that leads ukuthi umukele lo musa awubi part of all. Now utawuthola umusa kumuntu, you are not going to be part of the discussions ekukuniketa umusa. Niko, you must learn to speak well of others. Because awubathi batawuhlala kulo mhlangano. And lo mhlangano labatawuhlala kuwe, they will preside over your issues. Can I speak this as I feel it? Kukhona labanye benu bakhona emkhathini wenu la bathandaze eNtukumeni for the past 15 years. Kodwa nabaphuma la bahambe bayokhuluma kabi nebaphathi babo, bahambe bayokhuluma kabi netihlobo zabo, bahambe bayokhuluma kabi nebandla nabahlala emagunyeni. Usekhona yini endlini kaSawula akubudwa yena kubudwa labanye babudwa ngani lalela bathini ngani?
Kwakukhona endlini kaSawuli inceku ogama layo linguZiba.
Yebo Nkosi.
Bambiza ukuba aye kuDavide.
Lalela boZiba bakhona, wonke umuntu unaZiba wakhe. And can I tell you the truth? Even if you like it or not, every person in this house unaZiba lofika nakafika enkosini. Lalela ngithi
inkosi yathi kuye uMuziba yini na? Wathi inceku yakho inguye. Inkosi ayisithi akusekho nayedwa yini endlini kaSawuli engamenzela umusa kaNkulunkulu na?
yebo.
uZiba wathi enkosini ikhona indodana kaJonathan ekhubazekile ngezinyawo.
Hayi man sisulu man, hayi man sisulu. Asanginomfundela Swati manje. Yeah. Siswati sithi ngalelinye ilanga inkosi Davide wathi sekwabe ngisho namunye yini loyisali yendlu kaSawuli lengamentela umusa ngenxa kaJonathan. Bakhona 70 endlini kaSawula lekwakuthiwa uSiba libito laso ngabe bambika wavele nje kwaDavide inkosi. Davide wefika wathi kuye unguwe Siba. Waphendula wathi ngiyinceku yakho. Inkosi yambuda yathi sekwakade ngisho namunye yini endlini kaSawula lengametela umusa waNkulunkulu. Hayi bazalwane. Hayi. This is the grace of God that David is going to exhibit upon this man. Ukhona umusa longa akasekho kuNkulunkulu ezulwini. So ubekwe kubantu kuba makhelwane ngizanike nawe umsalakini nakunikeka namhlanje igama likaJesu. Shade khona makathayi. Lalela ke bazalwane, lalela ukuthi lithi le ndoda inkosi yabuta tsebaba nje noma isekhona indodana yaJonathan. Siba waphendula wathi isekhona indodana yaJonathan. Manje nje yakhala inyawo dotimbili. Hamba na akabutwana ukuthi ukhwalile yini noma cha. Akabutwa icondition yakhe la kuthiwe usekhona yini. That as long as I'm still available, it doesn't matter. God is calling you. As long as you are still alive, God is still going to use you. Ipalace iyakubida noma ngebethwa so akwala. Bayakele look at this brother. Kuthi Bible lithi inkosi yabuta yathi iphi yanaphenduli uthi ukhwalile noma cha. Awusuka uNkulunkulu akabuti ngekuchwala kwakho bamtshelile lemsebenzini wakho sebabatshelile ukuthi you are inefficient. Lela usebenzela khona sebabatshelile ukuthi you don't deserve the promotion. But God is not asking uNkulunkulu akabuti ukuthi you are inefficient yini noma cha. But grace is saying you are still called. Are you still available for this position? Are you still available for this opportunity? Because God is saying tonight, that is at 3 o'clock, are you still available in your position? Are you still serving God in your local church? Are you still loving God by paying your tithes and your offerings? Are you still serving God by praying to Him every day? But He's available. But angisho lokho esenhlala phansi sonke lokusibona sibili nawe ngiyakucina ngiyamathi kahle siyamathi labanye ngizange senginthethe nabo angibathi nebhadi kodwa wena wami bakude athi no siyamata usho loyo but wonke umzalwane la kuna bhadi wakhe manje udzinga a force. Wena udzinga a force that comes from the throne of God to say bring him on even though you are saying that he is crippled. Amemekele bazalwane lo Mephibosheth lona usiqhwala noma ke he is crippled because wawiswa abantu ngoba uqhwala behlukene kabili. Ngaphenza kodwa wasalapho uqhwala noma being crippled kuhlukene kabili. Kukhona abantu labaxhwale ngoba bawiswa abantu. Mephibosheth was crippled because walomfana nakhona wakubalekwa naye wakuzalwa kusitwa yena kodwa lusito lwangamsidi ngaphenza kodwa bazalwane labanye bawile la nipitha nicabanga ukuthi kungcono nimana nentshukumo niphela once after 4 months isonto lami vele abayintshukumo angisafuni phenza niphele bangilimata kankani sometimes kuthi sasilwa kakhulu sibaleka nawe mane wajubeka tinyawo you were crippled because someone was trying to rescue you. Amemedele bakhona abantu emhlabeni bakhona namhlanje entshukumeni babhitha balimele bakhala tinyembede bawa kubalekwa nabo bawagijinywa nabo besabaleka nawe ngoba usathane abafuna kuqeda impilo yakho mane wawa sabaleka nawe. Because sometimes when we are trying to run away sizama ukubalekisa wena manje lajama walo mfana yaphuka tinyawo takhe. He never needed a miracle. When someone awisiwe udinga one thing. He needs an experience with the king at the palace. Let jaha leli la 17 Apostle chapter 3, Acts chapter 3. Kutswalo la talwa lisishosha. He was crippled from birth. And the Bible tells us ukuthi uma atalwa njalo wahlala ngasegedeni lelihle. Hamba nami ke manje. For 40 years. Ahlele endaweni. And everyone afika ngene, makangena ngekhathi. Bamshiya anjalo. Now the question is, akamshiya manje.
Oh no.
Galatians statement there is succeeding. Akhona namanye ama-situations Jesu lawashiyako. Angawashiyi ngoba angafuni kuwalungisa, manje washiyela wena. Oh, asiziphinda ngisho esinye statement futhi nge-31 lesibili. Akusilolivile. You must understand ukuthi every time when you mess up, you are costing a generation. One mistake that you do as a servant of God, or one mistake that you do as a child of God, you are costing a generation to know God. Amana. Kanjani mfundisi? Samson ngalento yakhe khamba thanda kulala lonke live. uNkulunkulu kuvusa leli judge kwamthatha 40 years.
How about Samson?
So uNkulunkulu nakabuka ku-time frame yakhe, the more wena uwala kusinziswa, uwala kwemukela yena, kanti kunebantu in your spiritual loins lekufanele basizakale ngempilo yakho ngoba labanesiyababeka phandle basizakale mhlazana kuvela wena bayawusizakala because uNkulunkulu has planted them in your loins. Ekhathe ekhalo lwakho kunemagama nalefika Peter nalefika ngelehla uthi silver nelgolide asinalo but we shall give you what we have. Uthi igama likaJesu Kristu namandla sumuhambe wemukele amandla nomfana langazange sabamukele because God has assigned before the foundation of the earth ukuthi uyawusidakala ngalabafana. Two, weba bakripo badzimusa but lo Musa utholakala ngebanga isakunika lesinawo ngoba nalaba gifts bazanethangasela ekwenye imangaliso eprofeta ngumusa nje lesibolo lo Musa ukugcina
Masha.
a sustaining grace.
How about Jesus?
Ukhona umusa lo sustainer. I don't know what this is Zulu. In chapter 12 verse number 9, my sister. Paul uhlatshwa inyeva.
How about it?
Uyahamba uyothandaza emanuza ebenia athaka. Usho limba lokungathi usho njalo. Lokuthi Paula ngimve athi ayala lempandla laseKorinte athi mina I pray more than you. Uyenyuka Paula uyenyuka uthi makathi uyathandaza uthi uNkulunkulu lo musa wami udawuqina wena. You shall be sustained by this grace. Ungathi ngakuba makhelwa ngithanda nangwe lo musa lodaqina ngegama likaJesu. Come on somebody. Touch your neighbor, and there's a sustaining grace in your life. Shut up. Daqina no musa ekhaya lelavala. Daqina umusa ilibandla lingakhuli. Bahamba abantu balandzela lokwa nalokwa. Bazame kuyiqinisa kulibamba ukuthi alibonakala ngathi liyaqina. Hayi bazalwane thine sihamba nemusa that sustains us. Angine kanjalo ke namhlanje lapha. Nithi kodwa lo musa lo usikhahlelela kulo musa wekugcina the indescribable grace. Lo musa longachazeki bazalwane uma uke wahamba nawe awukhoni kuchaza ngoba kuthi nakufika the storms of life ungathi yini leyaphelela Paula uma angena ayofika eMalta kuthiwa umkhumbi waphahlaka wagibela etinketwini yakugcina kuthiwa abazalwane kodwa athi manje sikhuluma bekahle phela nje Ugibela kanjani eliqetwini kodwa ube uhlulwe ukusustainwa umkhumbi lophelele. Umusa nje nawo awuchazeke. Yini le nto yokuthi utawendlula abantu sithuthi sakho siphilise abantu? Umusa nje awuchazeke. Lo musa ngababubika bazana ngikubuka ngicela kubika namhla ngithi lo musa, it's a unity in diversity. Umusa nje lothi umunye kodwa uphinde upisakade kanene. Awutshela makalantani utapisakada lo musa ngegama likaJesu. Now they were coming una 12 years. So our palomage losing blood every day. But the grace of God was without change. Was the namuga umobo. Namhlanje letele atingamuke tinto empilweni yakho ngegama likaJesu. Indescribable grace. Yini lento negathi lwandle lumile ngaphambi kwakho. Intaba imile eceleni kwakho. Emagibhithe edangemuva. Kodwa yini lento lesiyayibala? It's an undescribable grace. Yini lengabamba lwandle lume bese yahlabela lakho athi lwandle lwababona nomfula iJordani yababona babegcwele inkazimulo yakho. Namhlanje bephele South Africa, there's an undescribable grace. Lo mnyaka lesitawuqala sizawuzama kodwa madela kodwa sowuqalile vele sesekusekeni manje ngegama likaJesu. Lo February lo awuhambi uyotshela manje uthi we are coming with an indescribable grace. Ungawufaka ekopini ngegama likaJesu. Masufaka in a container. It's not sustaining because uma sathi uyasustain kuphela sitawuluza ngamandla ukuthi sikhathule takhula nabo bahambe ehlani ngegama likaJesu. Abesiyabhala umbhalo wemahubo ku-74 verse number 12 athi tilwane tinkulu laselwandle tambona bese uthi nalaviathani inyoka amakhandakanda nayo wayibhijida phakathi ekhathe lwandle. Amemedele namhla ngegama likaJesu. All power, all authority, all demons, they cannot stand against you because they sustain indescribable grace. Uma ngibuyele emveswatini angisabuyeli ngethwana sengibuyele nalelivi elithi indescribable grace. Awumemedele thane South Africa, indescribable grace. Yini mpostoli wami, yini lento yajafta le uthi ungalamba ulathe ubuqoshwe bakeno kodwa uNkulunkulu akwente uthi ube warrior skillfully so. Amemedele namhlanje those that will headhunt you, it's because of an indescribable grace. Evangelii la ukhonda khona bathi libhaliwe libandla alinikeli alinjani lalela ngukasele. We are coming back with an indescribable grace. Amemedele thana umusa lo wakaseli. Musa lo wakaseli. Musa lo wakaseli. Musa lo wakaseli. My brother, may this indescribable grace visit your life. May you have an encounter with God. Indescribable grace is resisting it. Let the weak say I am strong. Let the poor say I am rich. Abakali rich. Umangabe sebanabo. Kodwa bakala ngoba sebashika. Basemasho sephele kwendeki. Amemedele indescribable grace. My brother, sekuleli idolo. But when I rise today, there's an indescribable grace. Amemedele an indescribable grace. I pray for you today. Try and speak to your neighbor and say, I pray for you. Let me ask this question. impossible to do this. That's ungangena emlilweni. Laba bambewe. Basafe.
Awukodwa hlatshwayo.
Bese wena ubonakala sokahamba. Bese lo fake wena emlilweni. Angaboni wena kuphela. Bese kwajula emehlo akhe. Abone nalomunye wesini. Sinjalo bethi masingena emlilweni singena nemusa. Indescribable grace. Musa longaphazeki lo. Yini lengenda abantu. Na uphuma kuthiwe awumisho lithuba. Phela bazana ngibona phela noma sekuthiwa sekuyagama. Angibona ukuthi masagama. Kuthi ungabulala abantu. Athi ke abantu bashe bona babathika. And the Lord was saying to me, I'm going to soon be the Lord now.
Washa. Awukodwa hlatshwayo.
But I want to know about it. I come and soon be the people today. Only master needs people who there. Bese twana sabaphuma la. Bese ntunkuna ephuma la ngomlilo angaphinda ababani.
Awumadoda.
Don't you want them to go wrong? You tell them what that's just because we understand this. No idea.
Thank you. Awusuka madoda.
Tell them what that's more than that's more.
Hey.
Now what you thought about how you know what I'm Who she was? And I see that I was not going to move. What's that? I see now. Yeah, come on. Now you coexist with me. So don't call us a Juminka. Seven Virginia, you couldn't have any committee Zika. You couldn't have money. We beat and show it. Kanja. It's high time. And after this, and I challenge you today. We are preaching great sermons. But who can not see Nitimine? Upumamine, apostle, Ratebe. Nitimine, you cannot challenge the church and say Sabbathia. So, how six songs Sabbathia? How are we going to test this thing? How are we going to test this thing? I don't. I never passed away from showing two at the matter. You're two at the matter. I eat my way. I'm the number one. Look at me. Tanami sinale ya lagi nilethe ngane ngegama likaJesu. Manifika la ngiyavele ishiye, kanti nami ngiyadala nishiye la kamali. Basala. Ungirebuke. Nadophela unyawo phelile ngathi usiyaxolisa. But you know, the people say I coexist, I tell it now. But I'm in night. I'm not something else. Come as it is. No, I think you need initiation. My brother, my sister, you need to come on. That's a lot. Oh, you don't get on my body. See, oh, that's a lot. phila ukuba bathe. Day number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Day number 21. 2 o'clock 28 January. And then, to one communion, I think I was more senior as far as nyunga le kakende le mazala kuna namba Karengo msemesenge sisi mbona mfundisi was encouraging. There was no apostle, no bishop. I was alone with God, and I said to God, Lord, I'm ready. I'm going to be now. God, I'm telling you, please. Because names and call which my level in Latin. I come last of them. Just a simple because I sense situation then more than 5 years. Ukhumbule leyo yenyuka yehla kuwe yenyuka ucela imithandazo kodwa uqhubeke yehle yenyuka until uzohambe lokufunela wena uthi kodwa Nkosi malume nina sometimes God is calling us to come into a place of an encounter with God. Nomusa nomangalisabo usenza encounter emandla kuNkulunkulu ngiyathandaza namhla kuthatha amandla asezulwini ngakubona kanise belweni azale Pastor, I'm not going to say yes. Hey, you need to learn how to do it. Let's find me Jesus. Glory to Jesus. That's right. Lomusa namsha available. And fortunately now, Lomusa was still available.